My name is John Demang. I'm a Professor of Computer Science and the Director of the Knowledge Media Institute here at the Open University. I'm the theme lead of Theme 1 in the Institute of Coding. In Theme 1, we're producing a new accreditation standard for computer science, which will be co-designed between academia and industry. Using this, we'll be able to join up learning no matter where it happens. It could happen in the MOOC, it could happen at home, it could happen in a company, it could happen at a university. This will all be joined up within micro-accreditation, which will sit on the blockchain. We are also using data analytics, and we'll use this, for example, to produce an automated career coach, automatically giving career advice to students as they learn with the Institute of Coding. We hope with these technologies and our new approach, we will transform computing education across the whole of the UK.
I'm Gareth James. I'm the Strategic Project Lead for the Institute of Coding at Aston University. And Aston University is the lead university for Theme 2, the digital workforce. So Theme 2, or the digital workforce, is about developing specialist skills training in areas of strategic importance. Now, what this means is that we're producing courses and training activities that help to address areas of the digital economy that are considered particularly important for the UK economy, but also looking at the means of delivery that upskill students to make them more effective and work ready, such as through the provision of degree apprenticeships. We've also been putting a lot of effort into supporting those within or around the IOC network to explore new models of teaching and learning, and also better understanding the environment in which we are working through workshops, conferences and research as well. The partners in Theme 2 will be working to build a wider and deeper range of relationships with employers to understand their needs and to develop training that can address those needs in the most effective and accessible way possible, and to provide more opportunities for our learners to give them the experience and to make them as work ready as we possibly can do.
Digitalising the professions refers to this growing need in areas that traditionally wouldn't have had IT skills as a requirement for jobs to have new interaction with technology. Businesses are really bringing us their needs on these things, and they're allowing us to see what the workforce is doing and also what they want their workforce to be doing in 5 to 10 years' time.
The Institute of Coding in Coventry is focusing on trying to educate decision makers and influencers in companies to be able to understand these new technologies and what capabilities they have.
We managed to probably bring in around about 30 to 40 businesses. It's about giving them the power or empowering them to flourish and innovate using the tech on their own.
It can be everything from one-day course, it can be an online course, it can be a summer school type thing, or it can be a full programme.
The IOC has been fantastically successful against most of its criteria. In particular, I think we promised 2,500 new learners. We're currently reaching just over 8. Part of the reason for the success there is about widening the kind of people that we can bring in. So the online courses and the different models of teaching have meant that many more people can come and take courses with people across the IOC.
Hello, I'm Dr. Darren Dancy, and I'm the Head of School for Computing, Mathematics and Digital Technology here at Manchester Metropolitan University. And I'm proud to be the academic lead for Theme 4 of the Institute of Coding, which is focused on widening the participation in computing. Theme 4 of the IOC is about increasing and widening their participation in courses and careers in computing and digital. This is a hugely exciting time to be involved in these sectors. Theme 4 is very much about ensuring that participation in this sector is open and welcoming to all. For example, there are still far too few women on computing courses, and this is something specifically that we want to address in Theme 4. Already we have held events across the country aimed at attracting underrepresented groups to enter higher education. We have started to have some difficult but absolutely essential conversations about the barriers that stop computing being a more diverse and inclusive subject.
My name is James Davenport and I lead Theme 5 of the Institute of Coding at the University of Bath. So Theme 5 is basically the logistics and support operation for the Institute of Coding as a whole and the other themes, and our main aims are to ensure the visibility of the Institute of Coding and the long-term future of the Institute of Coding. As we move forward, we are producing research about the skills gap, research about the nature of our students and the problems that I have with diversity and inclusion there, and also research about how to teach, what's most appropriate. And we're gathering those set of Institute of Coding technical reports and also the publications that we write individually. And we are hoping that producing an Institute of Coding Observatory report forum will mean the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. And it's our job, particularly in Theme 5, to glue those parts together.